Hello and welcome. If you're a new viewer, welcome aboard. Consider subscribing, it's free. You'll be notified if you hit the bell icon of when there's a new video. If you're an old subscriber, if you're one of the originals, like Darren Addison, thank you very much. Your patronage has been very much appreciated. You may have joined from the London Mudlarking group. London Mudlarking Finds on Facebook. Sorry, the River Thames Mudlarking Finds on Facebook. Seems to be a lot of people on there that like to watch this. Who have just locked the phone, I can't read out. There's Carol, and there's Dan, and there's Leslie Tocknell. Leslie seems quite keen to see the end result. Don't we all? And it's a big day today, Leslie and all the others. We're going to go inside and have a look inside the air raid shelter. So I'll try not to ramble too much. You can fast forward if you like. But I'll just quickly recap. I haven't been through the proper entrance in best part of 20 years, 18 years to be precise. My stepdaughter did go in through the window at the front. It must have been cut out as when it was a shed in the 70s. She was able to go through there with the help of a step ladder. She was a bit smaller, able to get in. Did it for a school project. I've not been in there for 20 years. We've dug down the stairwell, we've got to the bottom. I can now, probably on my hands and knees, get inside. We can have a quick look around and go from there. So without further ado, let's get up there and have a look. I'll see you up there. Okay, so we're at the edge of the hole. Go down the steps, down those steps, and through that door. And we're in. We're in. Well, do you want to come in too from that way? Okay, in you get. Okay, so here we are. We are inside. Inside. You can see some graffiti up here. It says "Kiss Me," and that is. Can't really read that because we're at a funny angle on it. It says love. Oh, here we got it. Love you. Love is something or other. I can't read that. Anyway, okay. Somebody's been in here painting. Right. Before we progress too far, I'd just like to play you this little clip of sound from the Blitz, just to give us some idea of what people are going through in here. Okay, so from 1940 to 2020. Got some bottles here, which I don't think are particularly old. This must be, I don't know what was in it originally, but it looks like varnish in there now. Plastic top. It says Dettol. This top measures tablespoon, okay, and another one that's been full of something, whatever this was. People wanted to keep hold of it, and yeah, this has got measurements on the side. Ibcol. Does anybody know what Ibcol was? It's quite loose. Okay. And another hinge. Another. Can't quite make out if there's anything on there. Oh, here we are. Something. Vinegar. Vinegar, genuine malt. Vinegar, genuine malt. Well, there you go. Something like I said, vinegar. We all like vinegar. Lots of bottles around here. It's a broken jar full of bits. What do they have in there? I don't know what we're going to do with this air raid shelter now we're in here. But some sort of electrical insulator, I'd imagine. Feels like bakelite actually. Lotus, it says, I think. Some sort of bakelite thing. If anybody has any idea, it must be electronic. Away. So much stuff. We'll have to. I think we'll have to go through Aveeno as a cough syrup. I think we'll have to go through taking all this timber out and get to the bottom of all of this, of all of that. Because if there is anything in there, it's going to be at the bottom, isn't it? And I can see plastic bits and bobs. Some fireworks there. I think that might be me actually. That might be me being a bad person and throwing something down the air raid shelter to get rid of it. Lazy swine. Right, I should report myself for that. But underneath there is something else. The door handle. Yes, it is. It's a brass door handle. Well, that's very good for hygiene. Apparently, it kills COVID-19. Brass. So maybe we should use this again. Let's put that. Let's keep this bucket here as a fines bucket for now. Well, perhaps we should go through to see what's in there. Right. Hang on then. Let's use our brains. Let's use the empty bucket. That's broken and dangerous. Bakelite mystery thing. Vinegar bottle. Dettol bottle. Aveeno's bottle. An Ibcol bottle. I'll have to look that one up. I don't know what that is. A brass door handle. Yeah, so what I'm thinking, let's get, oh look, there's another one of those mugs there. Look, that must have been half of one of those green wheat mugs and some old oil. There's an old oil can, if anybody is into old oil cans. There's one which is probably 1970s, I guess. Let's try and focus. There we are. high grade oil, specially blended, 8 fluid ounces, so that's imperial measurements. There we go. Don't think there's any in there. Oh, might be. Okay, oil container, half of a, what we know is now a green wheat mug. Found your mate, didn't we? Okay. Right, well, there's lots of things to look at, aren't there? It's very cramped in here though. My back's hurting already bending down like this. I reckon there's another foot down, I think. I think a 5'8" man should be able to stand up. Here's a ubiquitous marmalade jar. Yeah, we'll leave all these finds down here for now until we move this timber. Anyway, this is just to give you an idea of what we've got. I guess there'll be another few episodes that we can watch together and make together of clearing all this stuff out. Lots of timber can go out through there, can't it? Onto my lawn. And we clear the timber and we clear the glass. We can then worry about this foot or so of debris and maybe get some really old stuff. Now this vise, my dad was interested in having this. It's very small. I think he's used to bigger things than this. It does seem to still work marginally. Perhaps that was the last thing that somebody was holding tight in it, was this. Are you on there? Perhaps this was the last thing. I think that may be slightly cream crackered. There we are. Any ideas? Registered, just a registered design number. Obviously tightens something up, doesn't it? Okay, no idea. Have you any idea what that is? Or what that was originally off? I haven't. Okay, so yeah, my dad wanted this vice. Sorry, I'm not really forming my words, am I? My dad wanted this vice. I don't think it actually works too well as a vice. I'll take it apart and maybe you can clean it and use it. Right, folks. There's some more bits down here. Look, what's this? A padlock off a door. Yeah, everyone likes a good padlock. You've got the whole hasp and lock here, but no door. There we go. Keep door locked at all times. And you've got the whole set there. We'll use that again somewhere. Probably got a lock. We'll have to saw that off, won't we? Unless we find a key and we can make it open, which I very much doubt. Yeah, so what can I say? Let's bring you back when we've cleared this out a bit, or we'll clear it out a bit together. I've got a very late start today, and it's already very warm, very awkward. Perhaps we'll come down tomorrow and we'll shift some of this timber out and give you something to watch on day 8. Okay. Take care, folks. Stay safe.